Hi, LJ Laval here. I'm going to show you how to blur out a certain section of a screen in the event you have a personal address or some sort of personal information like a social security number or an email address or something like that. Not the face, because there's an automatic feature in Filmora 9 that does that. We're talking about a different section of a screen, how to blur it out easy in less than 90 seconds. Be right back. Okay, so I'm going to use this actual video that I'm making here as a demonstration. What I did is I pulled up a page and about organic food and comparisons to whatever, blah, blah, blah. And let's say we want to block this person's name. Now, we don't need to, but for demonstration purposes, I'll show you how. We're going to go up and click Effects. We're going to go in the search box because there's several hundred of these. We want to pull it up quickly. And we're going to type in mosaic, and we're going to take the regular mosaic, not the other ones, just plain old mosaic, and drag it down to the area. Now we want to do this whole frame, and I'm going to show you, not the whole frame, the whole clip basically. So we click the cursors over it. Now you see this little blurred out area, and we're going to adjust it. We're going to shrink it a bit. Okay. Drag it over, and we can extend this as long as we want. We can extend it for the full clip. So as we move throughout the video, and you see me doing other stuff, you see that it's blurred out over there. Really easy to do. Okay, thanks for tuning in, guys. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. This way you will get notified when I come up with another freaking awesome Filmora 9 tutorial. Thanks for checking in. I'm LJ Laval. Talk to you later.